Now this is class third B. Class third B. Subject GK. And date is 29/1/2021. So now open page number 13, lesson 7. Lesson 7. Independence and Foundation Days. Independence and Foundation Days. Independence and Foundation Days. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. We gained our freedom from the British on this day in 1947. There are many countries who celebrate their Independence Day or Founding Day each year. Some of them are listed below. So, there are countries, dates and events are given. So first country is Afghanistan. Number 1 is Afghanistan. And August 1919, what event takes place? It is Independence Day. In the same way, Argentina, July 9, 1816, it is Independence Day. Australia, the Independence Day of Australia is January 26, 1901, and the Independence Day of Bangladesh, March 26, 1971. Brazil, September 7, 1822, and Colombia having Independence Day on November 9, 1953. So we can write it. One is the country, so first column we have to write country, second one date, and third column event. So first Afghanistan. Afghanistan, date is August 1919. 19. It is Independence Day. It is Independence Day. And second, Argentina. Argentina is July 9, 18, 16. It is its Independence Day. Is Independence Day. Now third, that is Australia. Australia, it's January 26, 1901. January 26 and 1901. There is also this thing, Independence Day. And fourth, Bangladesh. Bangladesh is March 26, 1971. It is also the Independence Day. Fifth, Brazil. Brazil, September 7, 1822. September 7, 1822. That is its Independence Day. Now next, Cambodia. 6 is Cambodia. November 9, 1953 was also its Independence Day. So here these are the countries, dates and events. Afghanistan, it celebrates its Independence Day on August 18, 1990. Argentina celebrates its Independence Day on July 9, 1816. Australia celebrates its Independence Day on January 26, 1901. In the same way, Bangladesh celebrates its Independence Day on March 26, 1971. 1971. Brazil celebrates Independence Day on September 7, 1882, and Cambodia celebrates Independence Day on November 9, 1953. So few more countries are there. So number 7, we will proceed. This is number 7. Canada. Canada is November. Canada July 1, 1867. First July 1867, it celebrates its Foundation Day. Foundation Day. Now next, China. Next country, China celebrates its Foundation Day on October 10. This is October 10, 1911, Foundation Day. 9, Czech Republic. It's January 1st, 1993.
Today being the last day of submitting the kids by the parents, all the teachers are requested to remain in the school till 3 o'clock.
January 1st, 1993. It's Independence Day. And Iceland, that is June 17, 1944. It's Foundation Day. Foundation Day. And 11, Singapore. August 9, 1965. It marks expulsion from Malaysian Federation. Marks from Malaysian Federation, and 12 USA. It is July 4, 1776, Independence Day. So here two more countries. One is the Canada. It celebrates its foundation day on July 1st, 1867. China celebrates its foundation day on October 10, 1911. Czech Republic celebrates its Independence Day on January 1st, 1993. Iceland celebrates its foundation day on June 17, 1924. And Singapore, for Singapore, August 9, 1965 is important because it celebrates its Mark expulsion from Malaysian Federation Day. And USA celebrates its Independence Day on July 4, 1776. So thank you. That's for today.